A survey study of students' perception towards face-to-face and online learning after COVID-19. Introduction. My name is AHMAD SYARIFUDDIN AZIZ. I'm from KOLEJ KOMUNITI GOPENG. Thank you, ICARIEP 2023 for conducting this conference. Introduction. Online learning is also known as distance learning or e-learning. Over the years, online learning has gained significant popularity due to flexibility, accessibility, convenience of online learning compared to the traditional classroom setting. Literature review. Bone highlighted, even though online learning has been around for more 20 years, not all educators have the skill or motivation to utilize them. Alhasil, the difficulty of adjusting the transition was perceived as a challenge by the students. Baschat, respondent indicated that they were less engaged in e-learning compared to the typical learning. Lee, the drawbacks in online learning could affect mental health. Beware, anxiety, loneliness, and despair among college students have increased. Enhancement, lack face-to-face and social and low actual interaction, resulting to loss of interest and desire in learning. Lastly, Kanwal, learners in developing countries may embrace and accept e-learning at a far lower rate compared to developed countries. Methodology. So we use descriptive survey technique, close-ended questionnaire using 5-point Likert scale with no neutral option. We also use purposive sampling to select participants. One of the main reason we choose mechanical engineering student because they uses mainly mode of hands-on learning in their learning mode. Finding. So this is the characteristic of the respondent. 84 are males, 41 are females, 64 majority from DAD program. All of them have online learning experience, and most of them have IT skills. For the advantages and disadvantages, access to online learning materials recorded at 86.4, and then being able to remain at home 87.2, and class is recorded 87.2. Disadvantages recorded is 82.4 for technical difficulties, while lack of self-discipline to focus 75.20. For the item responses for online and face-to-face learning, E1, E5, A2 and F1 record high mean value. So for this, we're going to see the charts for better understanding. For the online learning and physical learning, in terms of knowledge, both of them show high percentage ratings. For the technical skills, the physical learning shows better effectiveness compared to the online learning. For the social interactiveness, the physical learning show better percentage than online learning. For the activity of the students, physical learning also gain better percentage compared to online learning. Lastly, for the enjoyability of the online learning, 50% rates extremely enjoyable, 34% rate very enjoyable. So this is quite high. Discussion. As seen in table 3, figure 1, figure 2, the lowest score rating for online learning were effectiveness to increase technical skill. This is because to gain technical skill, we should use hands-on learning. Students also rated low rating for activeness during online learning because some classes tend to be less engaged with them. thus the activity being restricted. Okay, for the conclusion, this survey respondent consider online learning as acceptable and useful tool to gain knowledge. Nonetheless, it is important to pay attention to technical and social skills need of the student as well. Thus, we suggest that the educators should make their online learning skills and material more enjoyable to the students. Reference. So we use 16 references for this study. That's all, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this presentation. Thank you very much.